Hello and welcome to the very exciting episode of Newsmakers. My dear friends, like I told you, that Newsmaker is all about people, their success stories, those who have inspirational stories to share with us. Because of Newsmakers, we aspire to inspire you. Today, we have a very renowned graphologist with us who has been working diligently in this industry and has been healing people. He's worked with celebrities, and here we are so fortunate that he is here with us in the studios with us, and we have Mr. Rahil. Yes, Mr. Rahil Ramesh Yadav ji, who is a renowned graphologist. He is also a signature astrologer. I would not take much time because there's a lot that I would like to know from him. Let's welcome him on board. Welcome to our studio, sir.
Thank you, Simranji. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaskar, sir. We are so fortunate to have you here with us. Somebody who's very renowned, worked with celebrities. You've been healing a lot of people, doing signature astrology and graphology. Now, I would like to know your journey. You must have had your journey from beginning till now. Please share that with us.
If I remember my journey as a signature astrologer, then it started in 2007 with the wisdom blessing from Almighty. Suddenly, I got a sense that I am a signature astrologer. At the time, I was serving in Indian Air Force. And when I told to my fellows over there, I am a signature astrologer, I can reveal the life, I can reveal your attitude and personality through signature. Then they will say, wow, you first change your signature and show something miracle in your life. Then I was working as a sergeant, air warrior technician of Indian Air Force. Then I changed my signature over there, and my VRS was already planned in 2010. Then I told to my fellow members that I'll change my signature, and dear, after the retirement, I am going to be a celebrity mentor. I am going to be a healer. I am going to be called as a Guruji. And when I retired on as a VRS on August 2010, in 2011 itself, God was so kind to me that I was a celebrity mentor, and so many cricketers came in my contact suddenly in 2011 itself. And from there on, the big door of signature astrology open for good success for me, and open for thousands of people who follow this signature astrology. And Ishan Sharma was the one who opened the door. Big success for me, and big success for himself, and big success for thousands of people, because after following my signature astrology pattern, my signature yoga meditation, when he became man of the series in West Indies, in 3 test matches, he got 22 wickets. And then after the man of the series, when he was interviewed by print media, by electronic media, even Star Cricket and all, everywhere, he showed that he has filled some 20 notebooks as signature of meditation. And that secret behind the success, he gave my name in a very big platform. And from there on, people are just behind me, and people are following it, and I'm enjoying my journey. You can say that from soldier to a celebrity, and God is so kind to me that I could achieve those dreams. Sometimes the dreams which I only imagine, this person should be my client, this person should be in front of me with the signature. The big house we call the Ambani family. I got a special respect from them in one of the session, and there on the journey is very wonderful. And what I can say, I know words, because if I remember my life, the signature which I make in 9th class in 1986, suddenly the signature which was made by me, that was of really tough luck and crazy luck. And if I remember the signature, with that signature, I lost my father. I lost many exam of getting graduated as a commissioned officer. I lost my post-graduation exam. I lost my relationship. I lost crores of property. So many things happened around me. Then one fine day, Mr. A.K. Chatterjee, my mentor, he met me in Allahabad, and he taught me the book called Magic of Thinking Big, that you are going to be a big man of future. And suddenly that mentoring went to my subconscious mind, and I was working, whatever was my status, but I was always thinking big. One day I am going to big, and finally God was so kind to me that I really enjoy the big status right now.
Wow, what a commendable journey. You see, viewers, you can see that he was also speculating for himself. His own signature worked wonders for him. Now that he's healing a number of people, we are so happy to have you here, sir. And we would like to know, what is this graphology, signature graphology all about? And then there is also yoga meditation that you do, signature yoga meditation that you also implement to heal people. Now we would like to know more of it. What is it all about?
Signature astrology, after having experience of 15 years, 3 years I was in Air Force. When I came to this sense of signature astrology, I was very lucky. I was posted at Air Force Academy, Hyderabad, where thousands of people were there in numbers. I'll say number of people were there. I used to look at their signature. I used to predict their promotions, their attitude, their mood, their habits. And people used to say, I'm right and I'm right, I'm right.
Wow.
And then in Rajdhani Express, we used to travel at that time. There was no mobile phone, no laptop. So people used to interact in train journey.
Correct.
So whenever I introduced myself in train journey that I'm a signature astrologer, I could find a long queue in the Rajdhani Express where they were and the journey from New Delhi to Hyderabad was looking like only for few hours for me. So signature astrology is something, after my experience, I can say, like in flying, we have control stick, like in Gadi, we have steering. So whatever signature design graphic I feel in 15 years of experience, signature design graphology is a remote control of individual life. If a man is happy and successful forever, his signature has to be good forever. If a man is happy and successful for quite some time, then bankrupt, then signature is also having a role to play. To heal the people, we use the theory of signature yoga meditation. In the signature yoga meditation is a process in which, with the Almighty blessing, I design the particular signature of an individual, and that signature he practice 100 to 100 times daily on a notebook like a meditation. And signature yoga meditation is just a worship for himself. See, God is there in our name. That is the research. God has blessed me. Every religion says that God is there inside you. And every हर आत्मा में परमात्मा है और every हर आत्मा का एक नाम है. So every one is named by XYZ. So what I found in the whole process of how the people get their desired results, how the people get the happy life in signature yoga meditation, because when they write in their name with the lovely mood, with the meditation, actually they are praying themselves. वो अपनी आत्मा की पूजा कर रहे हैं. And when signature is your soul, that is, and signature yoga meditation is called worship to the soul. So this is all about.
Wow, wow, wow. So now that we know here that what is signature yoga meditation is all about, when you get to know that this is the right signatures for you, you tend to write it like thousands of times, and then you're like meditating it right from your soul. You in your subconscious mind, if you put things, they come to real. And this has happened. My next question comes because I was just talking to you sometime back, and then I was I got to know that I was asking you like, what is manifestation? And then you said that, Simran, it is about how you put things into your subconscious mind. And while I come to this question, that you also happen to work with a lot of celebrities, especially our cricketers. You work with Ishant Sharma, you work with you really healed his life, you really healed his signature, Harbhajan Singh, and there are lots of people that you have done signature astrology for them, and you've completely changed their lives. Now, I'm really, really keen to know that how these people who are really acclaimed already, but then with your just one advice of yours, or maybe lots of advices from your side, their life has changed. Please share that also. How did you reach to them?
Reaching to them was my dream come true. I was very, 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 very excited audience of cricket, and I was really Kapil. If I remember my childhood in 1985, 1987, I feel always Kapil Dev is my god. And I was when I met Kapil Dev in '93 in Chennai, when he held my hand, I was weeping and I was crying. He said, "What happened?" I said, "You are my god and you are in front of me." Wow. He said, "Nothing, yaar. I'm just a player. One day you will become bigger than me." Then I told him, "Sir, I am 20 years old. I don't know how to play cricket. How I can become?" Then Kapil Dev's sentence, I think so, that was the turning point of my life. He said, "My dear, world is so big. You will become something out of cricket. Even we will be behind you. Wow. So, come on, cheer up. You are yourself is a champion." and the way Kapil Dev motivated me, I was wondering what will happen, what will happen. I thought, okay, उसने मुझे chill मार दिया होगा, बच्चे को relax करने के लिए tap कर दिया होगा. But the sentence was keep on crying in my mind that I will become big, I can do something. Kapil Paji has said, and Kapil Paji was God for me. पत्थर को पूछते भगवान बन जाते हैं. मैंने तो जिंदा इंसान को भगवान माना था. और then suddenly the whole process changed. A.K. Chatterjee sir came into my life, and then followed by becoming signature astrologer. Then I was dreaming to be mentoring cricketers. And one day in Hyderabad, when I was meeting a businessman, Alok Agrawal, in a hotel, there were cricketers were staying. I offered Ishan Sharma the subject. He said, "Sir, ये क्या चीज़ है? ये कोई इससे क्या हो सकता है?" I just requested him, you are doing lot of gym training, lot of bowling, lot of hard work. एक 3-4 notebook में signature और meditation से, this is the way you write your name for me, and you see the success. If success doesn't come, you leave it. If success come, we'll carry on. And he followed it. He got brilliant success in IPL in the 2011, followed by Team India. And after his success, my door for Team India were open. I am very fortunate that I have interacted with Dhoni ji, I have interacted with Sachin ji, though they are not my client, they are not my student, but I discussed the subject with them, they appreciated it. And Kedar Yadav is the one who said कि मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, मैं 27 साल का क्रिकेटर हूँ, मेरा डेब्यू नहीं होगा. And I suggested him signature and jersey number. He played Indian cricket for 5 years, and then followed by Harbhajan Paji came into my contact. And 2011 he was captaining Champions League. Mumbai, no Sachin, no Zair Khan, no Rohit Sharma. But when I calculated and predicted that you are winning Champions League, he was so thrilled. यार इतने बड़े बड़े स्टार नहीं, मैं कैसे जीतूंगा आरसीबी के खिलाफ. मैंने कहा पाजी, you are winning, this is my calculation. And we won that match, and Harbhajan Paji was so delighted. He gave me such a wonderful gift out of that. मतलब it was a उन्होंने मुझे अम्बानी मैडम से मिला दिया, मैं क्या बोलूँ. और उसके बाद से तो दरवाजे खुल गए. और मतलब Harbhajan Paji, followed by I told Harbhajan Paji, you are going to be captain of Mumbai Indians 2012 IPL. He said, it is not yet decided. I said, just see. And he became captain. And then one day I said him, in the same period, I said him, पाजी आप तो फ्यूचर के एमपी हो. देन ही सेड, यार एमपी और मैं, मेरा तो इरादा नहीं. मैंने कहा बनोगे 2022-23 में. आई फील आर गोइंग टू बी द एमपी. और आज वो एमपी हैं. तो लाइक दैट जर्नी इज रियली वंडरफुल फॉर देम और फॉर मी. और बड़े बड़े लोगों को भी क्या होता है, जैसे एक स्टोरी है, इवन ईगल नीड ए पुश. एट एनी लेवल यू नीड मेंटर, एट एनी लेवल you need guideline to go up of multiple sciences. So this is one science called signature astrology, and signature of meditation is healing thousands of people in 10 years, and I'm blessed to have this life.
Wonderful. What an experience. I'm so delighted to be hearing this from you, sir, that you've actually worked with such people, and so much. I think you could not do justice. Just you may be having much more examples, but this is not just enough to be told by you. Now that I would like to know, sir, there are a lot of people who are also doing occult sciences. Like there are people who are also doing tarot reading. Then there are mind reading is also there. A lot of things that we do see. Vastu experts are there. So how is graphology, like this art, this science, how is it different from these sciences?
I do not know about other sciences, what they are doing and how they are doing. But one thing I'll say, whatever experience I have from last 15 years after seeing thousands of people's signature, if a person in any industry is having good luck signature, he will be only enjoying after that if he's having good luck signature. If a person is having tough luck signature, he can reach to any top level by virtue of his hard work, his talent, his blessing of Almighty. But if signature is not right, he will fall down. Like Siddharth Malia is tough luck signature. I warned him in 2011 itself that Siddharth Malia is tough luck signature will not be having anything to enjoy his life like Vijay Malia. So as soon as Siddharth Malia became adult, and you can see even Vijay Malia no more in India. Then tough luck signature we had Michael Jackson. And once his tough luck, being a top celebrity, he was in tough luck only. Then we see a tough luck signature right now. I say our superstar Kangana Ranawat. His signature is tough luck. So always she is facing difficulties in her life. Being a superstar, being a great actor, but tough luck always troubling him, relationship, in the media, and something around him. Tough luck will pour. You can say Bangalore wali baris. उनको बिना मौसम के दुख दर्द उनको आते ही रहते हैं. तो it is called कि this science is such a strong science. If we call it good luck signature, Bal Thackeray is one of the powerful personality who enjoyed royalness. So that was Bal Thackeray. Not only the attitude, because of attitude, his signature is also powerful. His signature is also lucky. Now we can see, if you want to understand the signature science, good luck and tough luck. So there is big example, Amitabh Bachchan Sahab. Amitabh Bachchan Sahab, first signature was having name, fame and tough luck and loss. He suffered the same life. Now he has a second signature. You can see in Google, Amitabh Bachchan has first signature and now signature. Now signature says for Amitabh Bachchan that he will have huge money, he will have huge respect, he will become super brand, and he will be living a life of 85 approximately plus minus. So that way Amitabh Bachchan is doing. Sandeep Maheshwari is a wonderful good luck signature, and I can say Sandeep Maheshwari will be 80 plus in her own life. So signature can calculate everything of individual. And Narendra Modi, he is enjoying, not because of talent he became prime minister, but with this talent his signature was also too strong that he was so many forces stopped him to become prime minister even in his own party, but he got the chair because his signature was very strong. So signature astrology is a perfect and correct science, like a bullet, like a oxygen to the human being. If signature is good, we are well in good health, we are enjoying a good life, good status forever. And if signature is tough luck, even by getting at the top level, you may finish like Siddharth Malia, you may finish like Michael Jackson, you may finish like Irfan Khan. Tough luck signature.
Wow. So, my dear viewers, now that you know that how our signature can absolutely change our life. You know, whatever that you're achieving, there could be something that's hampering you, and that could be your signature. So, if you really think, please have that thinking now, that in case you need to change those signature, you have a person right here who can help you, who can actually mend your life rather. So we are very fortunate once again telling that you are here with us. Now while we go, and there are a lot of people who are watching you right now, I would want to know that one advice from your side for the people. Like, what can they actually do at home, like, to just change their life, have a good life, till the time they cannot reach you, at least an advice that could reach them, that they can change their life. And also, there could be people who would want to learn this art. So do you also do that?
Definitely, the guy who want to learn it teaching, I will, you can say teaching I always enjoy. And the guy, so for one common thing in signature, I give to all audience, namaste. एक बार फिर मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के निवेदन करता हूँ कि signature में underline कभी भी मत लगाइए. And जो graphologists, I request to all the graphologists who always speak that put the underline behind signature, put the underline behind signature. My dear graphologists, try to understand. Now this is a God blessed person is talking to you, who has been blessed for the science from the God. I have not read a book, I have not done any course, and my prediction is always 100% correct. Okay, if you see my prediction, I predicted World Cup win for 2011. I predicted, you can say, Virat Kohli becoming captain in 2011 in the media. I predicted Abhishek Bachchan will not have commercial stardom without with this signature. So please, this is my suggestion. Whatever underline you have in a signature, that is to be put before. First you put underline, then you do signature. This putting underline first will always give you a safety, and your you can say BP will be good. You will be safe in your life. Whatever you will achieve, that will be always with you. Sometimes underline going diagonal, 60 degree or 45 degree is a such a tragic effect in the life. You divorce, relationship loss, business loss, accident loss, sometimes suffering like cancer. These things happen if you put the underline after signature, and when your signature is especially diagonal. So my suggestion is put underline before signature, and your first letter should be visible. And in the signature, if you want to do signature yoga meditation, minimum, if any family do the signature of meditation, just writing their name 50, 60 times, every member of that family in the capital letter. If you also start writing your name in the capital letter, one thing is assured: whatever commercial success you will get less or more. There's a different case. But one thing I can guarantee you, writing capital letter signature, your own full name, you will be always safe from accident. You will be always safe from tragedy. You will be always safe from you can say sudden disease like corona attack, and you will be surviving forever a good life like 70 plus, 75 plus, and healthy life. And that is also something more than the wealth. If we have good healthy life, I think so this is also biggest wealth. And if anyone wants to know what detail of the subject, my YouTube channel is Signature Yoga Meditation. You see the testimonial, you see so many things, you will understand the power of signature astrology through that YouTube channel, Signature Yoga Meditation. And I always say this subject should be taught in the school in from 8th, 9th, 10th class. If we start guiding our youngster for good luck signature, for positive mind signature, I think so we can have a different generation altogether in our country. And I respect through आपके माध्यम से मैं कहना चाहूँगा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन ऑफ एनी स्टेट, for all state and government of India, please put signature graphology. I am ready to train your teachers, your principals, your you can say college, your vice chancellors about the subject, so that young students of our country, they start doing good luck signature in the college and positive luck signature in the college. They will be good frame of mind and they will enjoy best of their luck, and they will have a good career and good citizen of India.
Superb, superb. So thank you so much. We are like so happy that you could come here and give your precious time to us. And you give a lot of information about this art, the science that you are doing, this blessing that you have from your divine. And my dear audience, please follow the tip that Sir just now gave you, the advice rather, then how you can change your signature until you reach Sir directly and make your life easier. So thank you so much. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया sir for coming here on our show. And thank you audience for always being so wonderful.